Welcome to this Vuba video tutorial, where you will learn how to successfully mix and apply Epirock Rapid fast curing 2-hour epoxy resin mortar. Epirock Rapid is comprised of an easy to use 50-50 mix. Combine equal measures of part A and B and mix using a drill and paddle. Only mix sufficient material for each working area to make best use of the 20-minute pot life. During application, maintain a clean trowel to help achieve a smooth, compacted finish. Epirock is a self-priming mortar for horizontal surfaces. However, Vuba Epibond will be required as a tack coat for vertical applications to steps and walls.